Next one, seventh question. In that first sub question is show that the matrix A is a symmetric matrix. Second sub question, show that the given matrix as skew symmetric matrix. The given two matrices we need to prove here, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Already you are all knowing that what is the definition of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Symmetric matrices means condition is A is equal to A complement. Skew symmetric means condition is A is equal to minus A complement. First let us see what is symmetric matrices. Either the given matrices is symmetric or not. Let us check it out. That is, first one solution, write the given matrices as it is. Then take transpose of this matrix. Transpose of this matrix is change rows into columns. This is your transpose of this matrix. Take the given matrix as equation 1. If you are after transpose rows into columns, take this is your equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, observe carefully, all the elements are equal. See here, first row 1 minus 1 5, 1 minus 1 5. Second row minus 1 2 1, minus 1 2 1, 5 1 3, 5 1 3. After transposing of A matrices, again we are getting same element. That is A is equal to A transpose. Therefore, the given A matrix is a symmetric matrix. Next, second question. The given A matrix is prove here skew symmetric matrix. That is skew symmetric. Here we need to show A is equal to minus A transpose. That is here this is your A transpose. This is your equation 1. This is your A matrix equation 1. Then take transpose of this matrix. That is A transpose is equal to, after changing rows and columns we are getting like this. Next here, after changing rows and columns, here multiply by negative sign on both sides. That is minus A complement. Here multiply with negative sign. 0 minus into minus plus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus into minus plus 1, plus 1, minus 1, 0. Multiply here both sides negative sign. You are getting equation 2. That is minus A complement is equal to what you, after multiplication of negative sign, what you are getting matrices is, this is your A matrices. Observe all the elements is, this is your A matrices. That is minus A transpose, that can be written as minus A transpose is equal to, again this is A matrices. That can be written as A is equal to minus A transpose. A is equal to minus A transpose. Here also the given A matrix is as a skew symmetric matrix. Next we have two theorems here. These two theorems are important theorems. In that first theorem, theorem 1, for any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Here we need to show here A plus A complement, A minus A complement is a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. We need to prove here. Take proof, that is first check it out. A plus A transpose is a symmetric or not. In the given question, in a given statement, they mention here A plus A transpose is symmetric. Let us check it out. Consider here, take sum B is equal to A plus A transpose. Then take both side transpose. Take in LHS and RHS, take transpose. That is B transpose is equal to A plus B transpose of whole transpose. Take both side transpose. B transpose is equal to, here also we need to apply here properties of transpose of a matrix is, that is A plus B of whole transpose. A plus B of whole transpose can be written as A transpose plus B transpose. Same rule apply here. A transpose plus A transpose of whole transpose. If you are splitting this one, you are getting like this. A transpose plus A transpose of A transpose. Next, B transpose is equal to A transpose, right, as it is, plus you are all knowing that A transpose of old transpose value is A only. That is B transpose is equal to A transpose plus A, or A plus A transpose value. A plus A transpose value you are assuming as B. This value is B. That is B transpose is equal to B, otherwise B is equal to B transpose. This is your symmetric condition of A is equal to A transpose or B is equal to B transpose. This is your condition of symmetric matrix. You are all already knowing that one. So wise, the given A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Next, we need to prove here A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. This is also very simple, 2 marks important. Here take some C is equal to A minus A transpose. Here also take both side on transpose. C transpose is equal to A minus A transpose of old transpose. Take both side transpose. You are getting transpose is equal to, here also split transpose on these two matrices, that is A transpose minus A transpose of transpose. C transpose is equal to A transpose minus A transpose of old transpose value A. Next, here take here minus sign as outside. In these two, take minus as outside. You are getting A minus A transpose. That is C transpose is equal to A minus A transpose value we are assuming as C. A minus A transpose you are assuming as C. Here take A minus A transpose value as C. Minus, right, as it is. So wise C transpose is equal to minus C. We are getting like this. So wise here also C is equal to, you are getting minus C transpose. Therefore A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Here we need to prove A plus A transpose is a symmetric. A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Next, theorem 2. This theorem 2 says that any square matrix can be expressed as sum of a square symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. In last theorem, we have know that A plus A transpose and A minus A transpose is a symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Already we have proved that one. Here the sum of skew symmetric and symmetric matrix is a square matrix. Here we need to prove that one. That is, proof what? First consider, let A be a square matrix that can be written as, according to given statement, we need to write like this. That is, A is equal to, the matrix A is a square matrix, is equal to sum of, this is your symmetric matrix, this is your skew symmetric matrix. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. According to your given statement, we need to write like this. From theorem 1, we are all knowing that one. We know that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Since here, how to multiply here? In theorem 1, we are knowing that only A plus A transpose is a symmetric and skew symmetric. But here we are multiplying of. Why? Because see here, since K into A transpose, K is some constant into some matrix A. If you are taking transpose of that one is K into, we are getting only transpose of A only. We are not getting K transpose, that is constant transpose we are not getting. If you are multiplying constant into matrices. In the same rule apply here. So wise, if you are multiplying constant into any matrix, that is not if you are multiply with the constant into any matrix, that is transpose of matrix, that is not any problem. So wise, take constant into A transpose, we are getting only K into A transpose only. We are not getting K transpose. Like that, half into A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix and half into A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. So guys, if you are taking sum of these two, that is your proof part. Thus, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So guys, this is your proof part of second theorem. That is, any square matrix must be equal to sum of symmetric plus skew symmetric matrix. This is your second theorem. Next, based on those two theorems, we have some problems in the same 3.3 exercise. That is, eighth problem. For the matrix A matrix, verify that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Second subquestion, A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Here, by using this given A matrix, we need to prove here these two are symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. First one is, let us check A plus A complement is a symmetric matrices. First, take A, first one, A is equal to take given matrix 1, 5, 6, 7. Take transpose of this matrix. A transpose is equal to change rows into columns 1, 5, 6, 7. Rows into column. This is your A matrix, transpose of this matrix. Then take here A, we need to find here A plus A complement, A transpose, take that is some P. If you are taking any element here, if I generally take only P. Some P is equal to A plus A transpose. P is equal to, substitute here A value plus substitute here A transpose value. Then here in these two in between we have plus sign. So guys, add these two elements. We are getting, that is, P is equal to 2, 11, 11, 14. Call this is equation 1. Then take transpose of this one, that is transpose of P matrix is 2, 11, 11, 14. Call this is equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, see all the elements. First row 2, 14, 2, 11, 2, 11. Second row 11, 14, 11, 14. From equation 1 and 2, you are getting P is equal to P transpose. So guys, this implies that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Already you people are knowing that condition of symmetric matrix is A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix is by definition of P is equal to P transpose. In the same way, second subquestion we need to prove here skew symmetric matrix. That is, take some Q is equal to A minus A transpose. Q is equal to, this is your A value minus A transpose value. In the place of A transpose, substitute here A transpose. In between negative sign is there. So I subtract these two matrices. 1 minus 1, 0, minus 5 minus 6, minus 1, 6 minus 5, 1, 7 minus 7, 0. Call this is equation 1. Take transpose of Q matrix, you are getting Q transpose. Q transpose also you are getting like this. This is your Q transpose means. So guys, we need to get, take here, this is your Q transpose. Here multiply by negative sign on both sides. If you are multiplying negative sign on both sides means negative Q transpose is equal to 0, minus 1, minus into minus plus 0. Call this is equation 2. Equation 1 and 2, see all the elements are equal. That is, minus Q transpose is equal to, this is the value of Q matrices. So guys, Q is equal to minus Q transpose. This is the condition of skew symmetric matrix. From equation 1 and 2, Q is equal to minus Q transpose. So guys, the given A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix.